Managing security across multiple applications means scattered tools, inconsistent settings, and lost visibility. With the administration console in Unified Security Exposure Management, that changes. Configuring rules, monitoring integrations, managing notifications, it's all in one place, right in the Security Exposure Management Workspace. Let's navigate to Workspaces, then Security Exposure Management. We'll follow Sahira, a security administrator, as she keeps her team's security rules current and integrations healthy across multiple third-party tools. Here's where she does that work. Let's select Administration. The Integrations module shows a real-time view of all connected third-party applications, which are active, which have run recently, and whether any have failed. Let's select Review. The overview shows integration runs, ingestion health, and processing health widgets. We can hover over any part of a chart to see specifics. For example, hovering over May 15 shows the success and failure rate. Selecting that data point opens a detailed view of those integration runs. With real-time status updates, we can quickly spot a failing integration before it creates blind spots in detection coverage and take action before it affects security workflows. The Configurations module is where Sahira manages the rules that control how USEM processes findings, how they're classified, who they're routed to, and what happens when they can't be addressed right away. In Lookup Rules, we select Review. It maps exposure findings to the right configuration items in your CMDB. Let's select Classification. This rule ensures findings are consistently categorized based on key attributes, determining how they're grouped, prioritized, routed, and what business logic applies. In Risk Calculator, we can also customize risk rule parameters and weights to reflect our organization's specific priorities. Assignment rules automate routing, ensuring every finding lands with the right team or individual based on vulnerability attributes or affected assets. Remediation target rules set the expected timeframes for addressing findings, much like SLAs, so teams know exactly when action is required. When a finding can't be addressed immediately, exception rules give us an automated way to handle it. The system identifies matching findings and defers them according to the defined rule. Remediation tasks bring related findings together into a single unit of work, making it easier for teams to manage and track remediation. Remediation task rules automate this grouping based on defined filter conditions, so related findings can be managed together in a single task. Roll-up calculator rules compute cumulative risk scores for remediation tasks and imported vulnerabilities, giving teams a clearer view of overall exposure. And to keep our environment clean, auto-close and auto-delete rules handle stale detections and outdated findings automatically. Exclusion rules filter out noise during ingestion, so only the findings that matter get through. Together, these rules mean Sahira's team isn't manually triaging every finding. The system is doing the work of routing, prioritizing, and deferring, so her team can focus on what needs attention. Selecting advanced settings, we can configure system-level behavior across USEM products, covering vulnerability processing, remediation workflows, compliance handling, and service impact calculations. The visualization library manages which widgets appear on the findings view page, including their activation status and display columns, so we can tailor the view to surface what matters most. Notifications keep stakeholders informed. We can configure when notifications are sent, who receives them, and what they contain, with links that open directly in the right workspace. Email Templates manages pre-configured templates used in USEM notifications, including assignment alerts, remediation reminders, and exception updates. Security Tags manages tags and tag groups to classify records, control access, and organize security content across incidents, vulnerable items, and observables. Selecting normalized severity maps, we can map values from third-party scanners to standardized USEM severity levels, ensuring consistent risk prioritization across all integrated sources. Watchdogs evaluates defined conditions and notifies users or groups when those conditions are met, for proactive alerting on security data. Background Job Configuration manages concurrency, partitioning, and cancellation for long-running background jobs, optimizing system performance during large-scale vulnerability data processing. Users and Groups centrally manages product-specific role assignments across all USEM products from a single workspace interface. The Administration Console in Unified Security Exposure Management brings it all together: one place to configure rules, monitor integrations, manage notifications, and maintain full visibility across the security environment.